Hello. This morning I'm working on one of the MSI laptop that has an issue with booting. What you can see is that's all it did. It bring the MSI logo and it will stay there. So I tried several method, as you can see, to see what is the problem. I don't remember the model number. It's been like a month since I had this video, and I am editing right now and uploading. So I'm going to open this in the back and troubleshoot step by step, one thing at a time. So just watch. I think from next time I'm going to write it down, what model and everything. I thought I did, but and this motorized screwdriver is a lifesaver for the opening and closing. It saves you lots of time. I have a bunch of them, all sizes. Yeah, so this is the back, and I am unplugging the battery first to see the and drain the CMOS power bias, and then bias. There is another point right there. That's a BIOS battery. I'm going to turn it. I'm going to drain the power by pushing up for 30 seconds. Sometimes I don't count, but doesn't matter. 10 seconds, 15, 20 or 30. So I did this fast forward, so you don't have to wait and watch while I'm doing things. This is all it does. Now I felt like I'm waiting too long. I should have fast forward this too, but now I would like to take the hard drive out, but I would do the memory first, because hard drive is glued, which I didn't know, so I skipped the hard drive this time, and then so I just did the memory out and see if that worked. and it didn't work. So now I'm going to take the hard drive out, which I have to find the what you call the I have that from the fix it I fix it tool that I used to cut the glue, gorilla glue that there was, and then I was able to take the hard drive out. I didn't know that there was a glue. So now I'm going to plug it again, and do the same thing. Now it will boot in the BIOS. So now I'm one step closer. So now I can see the BIOS. So next step, I'm going to put the same hard drive and see if that works. But before I do that, I need to take the glue out, because that will cause me issue again. So I take the glue out and do that. It will do the same thing. So now you tell me what could be the problem. When you take your hard drive out, you get to the BIOS. When you put your hard drive in, you don't get to BIOS or anywhere. So now I put my temporary hard drive there, and watch this. Yeah, it's booting. So that SSD was bad, but like sometimes you just can't make a decision, or your hard drive is bad. You have to go through some troubleshooting to see exactly what is the issue, what is causing. You can save the time and just tell them, hey, hard drive is bad, but it don't give you like satisfaction that, oh, you did all the troubleshooting. You always have, oh, if I have done it. So always do the troubleshooting. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe.